Welcome viewers. Today we're going to be discussing a very important topic, that is organizational charts. The first thing we need to understand that as this word comprises of two terms, one is organization, other is a chart. This means this organizational chart is something about the organization, a company, and the company is interpreted in terms of chart. So organization interpreted in terms of chart is known as organizational chart. And there are complex and various types of organizational charts. First is you can just show us the departments, like who are the people who are there, and you can also demonstrate using the organizational chart, like who is responsible for what. So what you show in organizational charts is number one, what departments you have in your organization, in your company. Number two, you show in the organizational chart that who is who in the organization. Like who is the chairman, how many people work under the chairman, how many people work under so-and-so director, and so-and-so director responsible for which departments. So all this information can be diagrammatically, using the diagrams, can be presented in the form of organizational chart. Now today's video is about how to create an organizational chart using the Microsoft Word. It is very easy to do that. Right? A lot of people have problems making these organization charts because it's very complex, number one, yes. Number two, there's lots of lines there because each person, each designation going to have a box. Then for each box you need to have a lines. So this means lots and lots of lines and lots of boxes. So in order to get rid of this confusion, right, get rid of this difficulty, we have a beautiful tool which is in Microsoft Word, or MS Word, which is a product of Microsoft Incorporation. We start, let me share the screen with you. As you can see probably now, here it is on the screen now, and that we create a new document here. We create a new document, and we create some tabs, or some, not the tabs, we create some, and make some lines. Now here we go to insert, if you see, and I'll make it bigger for you, it's more easier for you and to see things very clearly. So if you see now, I'll go to insert. Right. Let's make it more bigger. Now insert, we've got these now, cover page, picture, clip art, smart art. And in the smart art, we go to hierarchy. In the hierarchy, we have got different types, you can see, So we go for, let's say, organizational chart number 1. Now, it gives us this diagram, if you see that. Now, we don't want that big organizational chart. So if you notice on there, if you hear, there is a text panel being shown here. Now, see, it has given me already a sample organization chart here. I'm not interested in that. Remember, we said we're not going to make any lines, we're not going to make any text boxes, we're not going to deal with them. This text box, which is there for us, that's very important. Right? Now, what it's going to do for us is the text panel that we're going to do. For example, we have got a board of governors at the top. Now, the board of governors at the top will have some directors. Let's say director 1. Then we have director 2. Then we have director. Let's make it more realistic. Director Finance, right? Director 2 is Director Marketing. Director 1 is Director Operations. And number 4 is Director Administration. Now, let's go and look at the organizational chart, which is already available. Oh, if you see here, we got a board of directors, then we have the director of operations, director marketing, finance. So the question is, why is director of operations there? Because we don't have a space, right? So it adjusts itself. Now let's see, I create someone under director marketing. We have general manager marketing, right? Under general manager, we have manager marketing. We have manager marketing new products, right? New products. Now, if you can see on the screen, it is already creating for us. So director marketing has general manager marketing, and underneath we got these. So the main thing to understand here is this text panel. If you are able to, you know who is who and under whom, you can make a very simple, easy, quick organizational chart. So this is how we make an organizational chart using MS Word. So I hope this was useful for you and for everyone. Please do let us know your feedback. It's very important to us. If you have any questions, you can send us at ustazwaqar@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.